respected president, respected judges, all the respected elderly people sitting in this hall, and also to my fellow members of the youth society. So today I am here to speak about the topic improvement of production of millets with the help of science. Millets, millets, millets. Now we know what are millets. These are a group of crops that consists of bajra, ragi, jowar. But why millets? How have we reached to 2023 being the year of millets? Let's go back to time, not much back, but very recently 2020, we all met with a pandemic. It was a never foreseen event and we all were stuck with poverty and economy was in crisis. So obviously, like all the time, the world turned to India and India said, hey, hey, we have a solution. HEHE, health, economy, hope and empowerment. And with that idea, India gave the proposal of millets and introducing millets to the world to solve the crisis of food security. Because millets are a group of crops who don't require much. They don't require much sunlight, they don't require much irrigation facilities, they don't even require any kind of pesticides or any fertilizers, so as mentioned. Now, going back even further, thousands of years back, even during the Indus Valley civilization, these millets were prevalent and the most dominant group of crops in the Indian subcontinent. But in the very recent history, after the introduction of Green Revolution, wheat and rice overpowered this group of crops and somehow they only consist 6% of our total crop yield in the country. Even then, we are the 40% millet consumers of the world. And in our country, 70% of the total millet production comes from only two states, UP and Rajasthan. UP has allocated a budget of 55.6 crores for the production of millets alone. So, if the production of millet is diversified into other states, like even the hilly states of Northeast, in our state, only our farmers will be benefited. And obviously, our farmers will need some aid and technological advancement from our side. So coming to the point of science in improvement of millet production, what can we do? The first thing that can be done in this matter is we should introduce precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is a process of agriculture where you keep tally and count and properly process your food so that you can sell it in the highest value. Second, we can introduce Internet of Things and other technologies such as drone to the farmers and give them proper access and subsidize them so that they can use those technology. Third, we should hire data analytics and proper data management technicians to assist our farmers who can give them the proper procedure and method to cultivate the products. Thank you. I hope we'll arise awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Jai